Welcome back to ClassSV. This is Vidya. Okay, now data link layer. Data link layer is transfer bits from source to destination through the transmission medium, and that is categorized by guided, unguided. Guided means while, unguided means wireless. Okay, this category is very important. In every exam they are asking. Okay, guided means wire, unguided means wireless. Guided again divided into twisted pair, coaxial, fiber optics. Unguided microwaves, radio waves, infrared. Okay, infrared. And twisted pair means two copper wires are twisted manner. Okay, shielded with enclosed with mesh or some points, right? So that is nothing but shielded. Here the twisted pair again with enclosed with mesh. Okay, foil is shielded. Unshielded means no shield is there. It is used in telephone lines. Okay, telephone lines. Next, coaxial. Coaxial is a copper cable. This is not twisted wire. Reduce the noise. Okay, enclosing with copper wires with a metal sheets which has a ground. Okay, this cable is like this way, coaxial cable. This is a metal sheet. Outer insulation. This is the insulation. This is the copper wire. Reduce the noise for metal sheets. Here reduce the noise by twisting the cable. Okay, here also transmit the data in a long distance. Okay, here also data is high, data can be sent in through long distance. Okay, next, coming to this fiber optics. It is completely use of a glass. We can use this cable TVs. Okay, cable TV network. This fiber optics is using. Fiber optics is completely glass, which is used as a transmit the lines one system to another system. Okay, medium is glass. Okay, through the glass data will be sent. Fiber optics also there are two layer of glasses. Okay, two layer glasses. First is core and cladding. Second one is cladding. With the help of this one, data will be sent. Fiber optics can be implemented in single mode multi-mode. This is also using LANs, cables, etc. Okay, coming to the unguided transmission, this is wireless. First one is radio waves, mainly used in multicasting. Multicasting means only one sender is there, only one receiver there, without any security, can receive the signal from the radio waves. The best example for this radio waves is FM radio. Through the signal, any receiver can catch the signal and they can use the data. This is mainly using multicasting, multiple receiver, one sender with multiple receivers. These radio waves are next. Microwaves are two categories: terrestrial and satellite. Terrestrial and satellite. Okay, this is very important. Microwaves. Okay. Infrared is over short ranges. Or a limited range. Data can be transferred from one system to another system. TV remote operation. If you want to operating remote, channels will be changing. All this with the help of infrared waves. Okay. We are not using any type of wire, so that's why unguided, wireless. These are wireless.